Gusto mo bang kumuha ng PSA Birth Certificate, Cenomar, Marriage or Death Certificates pero wala kang oras pumunta sa PSA outlet? Now, this video is for you.
Subscribe to our channel.
Sa iyong browser, isearch ang psaserbilis.com. Bago magpatuloy, basahin muna ang pop-up window kung sino ba ang authorized na kumuha ng civil registry documents. Since para sa akin lang ang kukunin ko, hindi na natin ito babasahin lahat. And please take note, dalawa lang ang maximum allowed na request kapag hindi mo kadugo yung kukunan mo ng certificate. Now, kapag nabasa na lahat, click na natin Got it. Instead of birth certificate, pwede rin kayo kumuha ng Cenomar, death or marriage certificate. Ngayon, ano ba ang process nito? Madali lang. Una, mag-fill out ka ng online application kung ano ba ang certificate na kukunin mo. Tapos, babayad ka sa kanilang accredited payment channels. At pangatlo, maghihintay ka sa delivery ng iyong certificate. Ganun lang kadali. Bago mag-request, punta muna tayo sa ibaba dahil mahalaga ito. Makikita mo ang PSA announcement at ang kanilang processing and delivery schedule. Take note, for Metro Manila, 4 to 6 working days after payment at 6 to 8 working days after payment naman for provinces. Kung malayo talaga lugar nyo, expect ninyo na ma-extend ito ng 1 linggo or more. Kung may katanungan ka naman, you can contact their phone number on office hours. Now, magre-request na tayo. Click na natin, Request Certificate. Pumili ng certificate, birth yung kukunin natin. Ito yung info na kailangan nating i-fill up. Click na natin, Request Now. Read the terms and conditions and click I agree to the terms at saka sa data privacy notice. Click din natin I agree. Then, click Next. Unang tanong, please answer it accurately. Kung may correction ba or amendment, ito yung mga changes or even court proceeding sa iyong kukunin na birth certificate. Dahil wala, click na natin No. Then, kung nakakuha na ba tayo ng copy of birth certificate from PSA before, yes natin to. Tapos, click Next. Now, let's fill up the details. Take note, required yung may asterisk. Una, request details. Isa lang ang kukunin natin. Tapos, certificate details naman, last name, first name, middle name, place of birth for country, province, and municipality. Then, date of birth, sex, father's last name, father's first name, at father's middle name. Then, mother's maiden last name, mother's maiden first name, at mother's maiden middle name. Select relationship to the document owner. Since para sa akin to, piliin natin ang self. Document for delivery to an embassy or government agency. No natin. Tapos, purpose of request. Since wala dito, piliin natin ang others at ilagay ang particular kung para saan ito. Then, pag okay na, click next. Now, requester's details and delivery address naman tayo. Requester's last name, requester's first name, requester's middle initial, email address, mobile number, delivery address naman, country, province, city or municipality, barangay, address line, ito yung house or apartment number, building name, company name, and street name. Tapos, postal code. Kung hindi mo alam ang iyong zip code, click mo lang ang Find It button. Makikita mo dito ang lahat ng zip code sa lahat ng lugar sa Pilipinas. Now, balik na tayo. Pag okay na, click Next. Now, confirm na natin ang details ng ating request. I-double check ito. Make sure tama lahat ng info. Delivery schedule is 8 AM to 5 PM, Monday to Friday, except holidays. Pag mabasa lahat, click na natin Confirm. Now, summary naman tayo ng ating request. Sa mga nalilito sa request at requester's summary, ang request summary, ito yung nire-request na certificate. Bale, yung details dito ay siyang makikita mo sa loob ng birth certificate pagkatanggap mo. Then, 330 pesos ang babayaran. Kung may mali, pwede nyo i-edit or i-delete. Then, requester summary naman. Ito yung nagre-request ng birth certificate. Halimbawa, kukuhan ko ang aking magulang ng birth certificate. Dito ko ilalagay ang info ko. Tapos, delivery address naman tayo. Pwede kang mag-add ng new request kung may kulang. Tapos, pag okay na, click next. Acknowledgement naman tayo. Ito yung reference number natin. Kung magbabayad ka via bank, print 2 copies of this page para tig-iisa kayo ng copy. Pero ako sa GCash na lang ako magbabayad para wala ng photocopy. I-check ang iyong contact and delivery information, tapos request summary. Bago mag-proceed, basahin muna ang important reminders kung para saan pwede gamitin ang civil registry documents na ito. Kung ikaw ang document owner at just in case hindi ka makakatanggap, pwede ka magpa-authorize ng representative. Una, ipahanda mo lang ang iyong authorized representative ng signed authorization letter or SPA nang nagdidetalye sa iyong nire-request na documents. Tapos, ilang copies at purpose nito. Pangalawa, your valid ID with photo and signature, including ID. Pero okay lang kahit anong ID as long as valid ID ito. At pangatlo, valid ID naman at signature ng iyong authorized representative. Pag okay na, click na natin proceed to payment. So ngayon, pumili na tayo ng payment channels. Marami tayong option dito. Pero ang pinakamadali at walang hassle ay ang pay online via card or e-wallet. GCash yung gagamitin natin pambayad. Now, click na natin, Pay Now. Check the details, tapos click Proceed. Mapupunta ka sa PSA online payment site. Click GCash. Enter your GCash phone number, then click Next. Then, input the 6-digit authentication code sent to your GCash registered mobile number. Tapos, click Next. Then, enter your GCash 4-digit MPIN and click Next. Now, review the details to ensure na tama lahat. Then pag goods na, click Pay 330 pesos. Now our payment transaction is completed. Makikita mo ang iyong payment, acknowledgement details. Isend rin nila yung details mo via email. Makikita mo rin dito kung kailan mo matatanggap ang iyong document. Uulitin ko, 4 to 6 working days for Metro Manila and 6 to 8 working days for other provinces. Take note, may additional week or more kung hindi aabot ng standard courier serviceable areas ang lugar mo. Pwede din other countries. Now, iyon lang. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. Feel free to comment if you have any question and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys until next time. God bless.